Good day to you. I didn't see you come in. The name's Riolu, Riley Riolu. And you are? Well, that doesn't really matter. I'm here to tell you a story. Well, I'm not one of those people who usually tell stories. I leave them more to, well, you know. Anyways, I'm here to tell a story about partnership, sacrifice, and choices. Stories like mine where I saved cities, fought the enemy, and became famous. However, this story isn't about me. It might not even be about all those other things. No, this story is about two people who had been living simple livings, but soon discovered they had much greater destiny in store for them. I like to call those two the Aura Guardians.